Set at the entrance to beautiful bays and natural harbors, lighthouses have prevented ships from running aground for hundreds of years. Sadly, however, many of them have become redundant and been replaced by more efficient onboard navigational systems. As they were designed to be visible, lighthouses often make for very distinctive landmarks. Their shapes and colors stand out against the surrounding landscapes. Consequently, they make for some fantastic photo opportunities and are usually set in spectacular spots along rugged coastlines or overlooking wild seas. Here's a look at the most beautiful lighthouses in the world. Number 10. Les Éclaireurs Lighthouse. Romantically referred to as the lighthouse at the end of the world, Les Éclaireurs is located in a breathtaking spot in Tierra del Fuego, right at the southern tip of Argentina. Lying on a small rocky island in the middle of the Beagle Channel, its red and white tower stands out delightfully against the majestic mountains that rise around it. Having guarded the sea entrance to Ushuaia ever since it was erected in 1920, the lovely lighthouse is now a popular tourist attraction. Number 9. Galle Lighthouse. Located within the ancient walls of Galle Fort, the lighthouse of the same name has protected the surrounding waters ever since it was first erected in 1848. While it is the oldest lighthouse in the whole of Sri Lanka, the current lighthouse's bright white walls only date to 1939, when it was rebuilt after a devastating fire. Nestled away on the country's south coast, its magnificent location at the entrance to Galle Harbor with palm trees all around it make it one of the most picturesque and photographed landmarks in the city. Number 8. Makapuu Point Lighthouse. Perched upon the eastern tip of Oahu in Hawaii, Makapuu Point Lighthouse is set in one of the most spectacular locations imaginable, as the waters of the Pacific stretch endlessly before it. Despite only reaching 14 meters in height, the light from its tower can be seen from far and wide thanks to its prominent setting atop a rocky cliff. Coupled with the bright blue waters of the ocean below, these enormous volcanic cliffs certainly make for an impressive sight with the lighthouse hidden amongst them. Number 7. Lindesnes Lighthouse. Set at the southernmost tip of Norway, Lindesnes is the oldest lighthouse in the country. While the current lighthouse with its bright white walls and red top was only constructed in 1915, the earliest version of the light station dates to 1656. Ever since then, it has demarcated the North Sea from the Baltic Sea and warned sailors about Norway's perilous coastline. As it was commandeered by the Germans in World War II, there are now trenches, tunnels, and a small fort for visitors to check out nearby. Number 6. Kapishpichel Lighthouse. Remarkably enough, a light has warned approaching ships about the treacherous waters of Capiche Pichel ever since 1430, when monks erected a beacon on the cliff top. It was only in 1790, however, that the first proper lighthouse was built. This exhibits some delightful and distinctive architecture, with its white 32-meter-high hexagonal tower being its defining feature. Located at the end of a peninsula in Portugal, the lighthouse overlooks a lot of wild and wonderful coastline that once struck fear into sailors' hearts. Number 5. Tower of Hercules. Ever since the 2nd century AD, the Tower of Hercules has imperiously watched out over Spain's North Atlantic coastline. This remarkably makes it the oldest lighthouse still in use today. Such is its age that it is believed to have been modeled after the Lighthouse of Alexandria, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. First built by the Romans, the lighthouse's 57-meter-high sturdy and square tower was repaired and renovated in 1791. In addition to its astounding age, the Tower of Hercules' scenic location on a peninsula in Galicia certainly makes it one of the most beautiful lighthouses in the world. Number 4. Cidade Lighthouse. Set in a prominent and picturesque spot along the Oregon coast, Cidade Lighthouse certainly is a fine sight. Overlooking the Pacific Ocean with dramatic-looking rocks below, its gleaming white tower is backed by verdant forests that tumble down the hillside. First lit in 1894, the lighthouse is named after Bruno Heceta, the Spanish explorer who sailed up and down the Pacific Northwest in the 18th century. Now a designated state scenic viewpoint, the lighthouse is well worth the visit for its commanding views of the Oregon coast and the Pacific Ocean. Number 3. Handol Lighthouse. Lying at the entrance to Hania in Crete's historic harbor, this delightful lighthouse is not only the oldest in Greece and the Mediterranean, but in the entire world. First built by the Venetians towards the end of the 16th century, it was subsequently repaired and reimagined by the Egyptians, Ottomans, and later on, the Greeks. As such, the lighthouse certainly boasts an illustrious and interesting history, as is evidenced by its unique design, which is reminiscent of a mosque's minaret. Number 2. Portland Headlight. Looking out over the wild, wet, and windy waters of the Atlantic, Portland Headlight has guided sailors back to safety ever since 1791. The historic lighthouse is set on a craggy clifftop in Cape Elizabeth, just to the south of the busy Portland Harbor. Reaching almost 25 meters in height, its white conical tower stands out delightfully against the desolate and rugged coastline that lies around it. Although it is now automated, visitors can stop by its adjoining maritime museum to learn all about its captivating past and hear the tragic tales of the many ships that were wrecked along the main coastline. Number 1. Formentor Lighthouse. One of the most famous and photographed landmarks in Majorca, the Formentor Lighthouse lies on the northernmost tip of the Balearic Island. Towering some 210 meters above the sea, the lighthouse is perched on top of a lofty cliff with steep drops below it. The lighthouse's beacon of light has warned sailors about the dangerous Majorcan coastline ever since 1863. Due to the outstanding natural beauty around it and fantastic views out over the Mediterranean, Formentor Lighthouse is not to be missed.